Hey guys, on today's video we're gonna explain what is Grand Theft Auto Premium Edition. So first of all, this is the regular game. It's just the regular game. It just gives you extra things. So once you're in the game, you're gonna get money. You're also gonna get cars that you can claim for free. You can claim a bunch of stuff for free, such as an office, an apartment. There's a ton of stuff. You just have to look around and just claim those things. I do have videos that shows you how to claim those things for free, and that's because I have Premium Edition. Now, if you already have GTA, then you can't get Premium Edition because you already have it. You already have the game. There's no point. Right now, if you already have GTA, you can just buy other stuff, but not the Premium Edition. Also, a lot of people, let me just click right here, ask me if you need PlayStation Plus in order to play online. Yes, you do. If you notice on the left-hand side, it does say, in fact, paid PlayStation Plus subscription required for online multiplayer. That means once you get into GTA Online, you do need that PlayStation Plus subscription. So I'm not 100% sure why people are thinking that you don't need PlayStation Plus subscription in order to play online, but you do. Even if it's Premium Edition, you still do. Now remember I told you that if you already have GTA, you could purchase stuff? Well, this is one of the things that you could purchase. You could purchase this, the Criminal Enterprise. You could do that. But if you've never had the digital version of Grand Theft Auto, you can for sure buy the Premium Edition. And once again, the Premium Edition is actually really good because it gets you a ton of stuff. And again, it does get you money. It does get you started way faster. So it is pretty nice that you can get started with GTA with a ton of stuff already. So right now I'm just going to join in on GTA Online. And like I said before, I have already made videos about how to get cars for free, about how to get an apartment for free, about how to get an office for free, about how to get pretty much a ton of stuff for free just because I have Premium Edition, which is really awesome. And I know a lot of you have bought the Premium Edition because it actually is cheaper than buying just a regular GTA. And that's because it's on promotion right now. Now, since this is loading in, I just want to show you one more thing just to help you guys out. If you are on PlayStation, make sure to always check out your PlayStation Plus membership. So I'm just going to go into my PlayStation Plus membership, and that's because right now PlayStation will give you $1 million for GTA Online for free. And that's every single month. If you guys are part of Amazon Prime, so if you have a Prime membership, which is different than this, you guys can also get another $1 million as well. So I'm just going to go into my exclusive packs just to show you what I'm talking about. So under exclusives, usually you would see it here. However, sometimes you won't. Which in that case, you would need to go right here and type in GTA. So just go into PlayStation Store, type in GTA, you're going to see this. Right here. These $1 million for GTA Online for free. And that's if you have PlayStation Plus membership. So that's really awesome, something that they're doing every single month. So there's several ways to get money for free. Just wanted to share that before I end the video. But anyways, as far as this video goes, we are all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.